All right, let's check this horror short out called Man on the Train. Man on a Train. Rated PG-13. Put my camera up here.
I know, but I was in this like stupid thing of being like scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like obviously I needed.
What'd you say? What that person say in the background? Something about getting shot at?
Like it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay, so how long did it take?
What I was just need to like go through it because I honestly it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. Like it was getting a bit weird some of the positions, but I was like whatever. And he was like
Positions?
and I was like okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
gonna call
like I
you,
would,
like, I
I
couldn't
met
stop.
up
This
with
is
that
the problem,
training
this is
week.
what I'm having in my head.
Yeah,
I can't move.
I was
It's
following
like-
around like for the whole
I be feeling so weird listening to other people's conversations sometimes.
cut forward to
I don't try to, but sometimes they just be too loud. You know what I mean?
No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before we went to Australia, he gave it to me. Right, so I sent her a message. Grand.
I just feel like
We'll go for a few drinks, right? Now, we're having a drink. She's asking me like, where do you work? I say I work at Casey's, and she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy like 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like, okay, interesting. Yes, I went to work.
Oh. I saw that dude in the background. Where everybody else go? His homie. Oh. Like, what you looking at, yo? Damn. Fuck, man. Nah. See, at that point, nah, I would have stood up. Hey, you got a problem? You got a problem? We can take this outside, my guy. Lady, there is a problem. Get There's something wrong with his face. Oh, she gone. Oh, she gone. That was good. That was good. Quick, painless. Well done.